welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Amy and I am a wife and a mom and a homemaker. And if you ask me, there is nothing more cozy than homemaking during the holidays. I have so much I want to do with you in this video, from cooking and crafting to decorating. So sit back and relax and enjoy. I will leave all the recipes that I use in the description box below, and let's get to homemaking. Before we jump into today's homemaking video, I want to take a moment to kindly thank today's video sponsor, Miss Blue. If you guys have been around my channel for any length of time, you know that I am so passionate about bringing things intentionally into your life and into your home, and that is why I was so excited when Miss Blue reached out. Inspired by the timeless wedding rhyme, something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, Miss Blue crafts exquisite jewelry that embodies love, tradition, and sustainability. Ms. honors remarkable women worldwide, while blue symbolizes purity, love, and fidelity. Their breathtaking engagement rings, wedding bands, and fine jewelry seamlessly blend tradition and modern elegance. Not only that, but Miss Blue is committed to water conservation through reforestation, forest conservation, and water replenishment, aiming for sustainable industry practices. With global water demand doubling by 2030 and freshwater availability decreasing, they recognize this urgency and are striving for positive industry changes through responsible, transparent, and ethical practices. Whether you're looking for everyday wear or you're looking for wedding bands, engagement rings, Miss Blue has something for you. I had so much fun looking on their website, and I was so excited when I saw their French pave round cut moissanite eternity band, because I myself have been longing for something that complements and goes well with my wedding band. I am in love with these rings. I know that they are going to stand the test of time, and I love how they complement and go with my style. And I know that you are going to love their pieces too. So if you want to check out Miss Blue Jewelry, make sure you head to the description box below and use my link along with my special code that is going to give you an additional 15% off your purchase. I know that you are going to fall in love with the exceptional quality of their pieces, and thank you so much to Miss Blue for sponsoring this portion of today's video. one of my ideas this year with this ribbon that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I mentioned that I bought a few different rolls of ribbon. For this, I had in mind that I would make little bows and I'd drape them on the tree. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how it goes. This is the idea. And then I'll just kind of drape them all over on the ends. And I'll do some that are like a little shorter, some that are a little longer. So we're just gonna see. It will just be really sweet to just have this little bit of the bow tied into the tree. The rest of the house is full of like the thicker wire ribbon, so I like having this little dainty velvety type ribbon. It's more subtle. I think if I do this again, I would probably go with silkier ribbon, just so I don't run into this where one side is a different color than the other side. That way I just think it would look a little better. So I'm thinking like this. Just kind of setting it there, right on the end. So that way like the ribbon will drape naturally and hang naturally. There. Oh, we'll see. It is what it is, right? Now, if we just don't touch it. I'll say this is probably not a very smart idea when you have a 2- and 4-year-old, but you know, the ribbons, so I guess we can just deal with it, right, moms?